Okay, so let's look at regular and irregular verbs. So, some words are irregular and creating the past tense is simple, easy, straightforward. So, regular verbs in the name, regular, normal, straightforward, simple. So, let's take walk. 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 Okay, but the past tense, we just add ed. Walked. Walked. Very straightforward. Nice. But other words are irregular and have their own rules. And these can just really be learned. There's no real way of, there's no pattern, there's no consistent rule to them. Some change, some don't. Sheep and sheep. Okay, it's a noun. Okay. Teach and taught. Teach and taught. I teach English, I taught English. What did you teach? What did you teach last year? I taught, he taught with me. What did you taught? What did you teach? Taught. I taught English yesterday. I taught an English class yesterday and on Monday as well. How cool is that? So past tense, but don't add ed. It's not teached. Not teached. Taught. Taught. Where did taught come from? It depends on the origin of this word. Where it came from. Anglo-Saxon, French, Scandinavian, and beyond. It depends where it came from. Germanic, Latin, beyond. Break. 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 Or broke. I broke my pen. I broke something else. Break. Don't break it. Oh, he broke it. Break and broke. Past and present. Again, there's no real pattern to the past tense, and they really have to be learnt in their own way. Teach and taught. There's no consistent pattern. They have to be learnt for the sake of it. They have to be highlighted which words are irregular and what the irregular past tense is as well. Break and broke. Teach and taught. It's not teach and toke. It's not break and brought. They have their own rules, simple as that. But the majority of words are simple, or regular verbs, so add ed. Walked, talked, listen, listened, climb, climbed, bike, biked, yeah. Build, built, yeah. Clean, cleaned, clean, cleaned, clean, cleaned. Open, opened, close, closed. Open, close. Activate, activated. Yeah. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. So how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.